Hello everybody, I've decided to make this short little video to tell you all that I've reached my goal of printing 100 face shields. Now, if you haven't seen one of my recent videos, I was 3D printing face shields for my local hospital, and I suggest everyone watching go check that out. But at the time, I had only had about 43 or so shields. My goal was 100. But I'm making this video to share with everyone that I have reached that goal of 100 shields. I'm also making it to maybe inspire some people to do the same thing or something different. Because, like I said in that other video, at a time like this, we all need to help each other. This whole experience has been really amazing for me, and I've had a lot of people that have helped me. Some really great people that have helped me. Yeah, for the most part, that's all I have to say. I'd just like to thank everyone for watching, and I hope everyone checks out Operation Shields Up. They're collecting, distributing, disinfecting face shields, and they're a great cause to get into if you can. But I think that's all, just a short little video. Okay, thank you all for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see y'all later.